film unit, canteen. Recording.
Does it record audio too?
Yeah. I'll have to chop that bit out. Carrik A Rede. Now I'll probably get a lot of hits by saying Game of Thrones location, and in fact let me just get that sign. I'll be able to ask you. I'll chop this bit out before I upload it. Carrik A Rede, because I don't really like me talking on there. That's a good view. I think I might have to try and climb up that rocks if possible. That's good, we got it to ourselves.
I'm just going to walk around this thing before I go down.
Well, yeah, I'm going to see if you can get up it without hurting yourself. Oh, will I be able to swim? Oh, look at the blue. I'm gonna have to try and get in. You right? Look at that.
How clear the waters. Any sharks?
No, but it's quite sandy. I think I have to jump over the rocks to get in. But, oh, it's going to be cold again. That looks like a good way up. Wow. It's good, isn't it?
I have to bring down here.
Huh?
Got to bring down here.
Yeah. I've definitely got to get up. I think there's a natural steps up here, isn't there? Just go up real quick. Fantastic.